Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to shoot in full 50 megapixel resolution on your Galaxy S26. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the camera app, and now in the camera app, what you guys want to do is here you will have 12 megapixels. Now, what you guys want to do is, in order to shoot in full 50 megapixel resolution, you're gonna click on those 12 megapixels, and now those settings are changed. As you guys can see, you can see that it's changing right here, for example. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a picture. So if you zoom in, then the picture may be in a worse quality, so it's best to zoom at 1. And now I'm gonna take a quick picture, and this is how it looks like. So it looks pretty good. You can see every single detail here. And now let's take a picture at 12 megapixels. The same. Looks almost identical, but still the 50 got the best results. So the results are definitely better here, and that's how you guys can easily shoot in 50 megapixels. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.